Welcome back for another video of how to reset my car. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can reset the service indicator of a Volkswagen Taigo. This one comes from 2020, and in this short video I'm going to show you how you can reset it manually. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, so to reset my car. Have a look at our channel for more than 500 other videos on how to reset different model cars. Some tips and tricks about cars. Use the comment area if you have any questions and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, as you have seen, there is an indicator popping up. Let's start right away. Turn the ignition to the second position, then we're gonna go by pressing this to driving data like this and find the range over here. Once you're there, press and hold the OK button for about 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release, and you'll see that there is a service menu popping up, and now you can reset it by like this. Reset oil change, it's asked me. Go to the next one. Reset inspection also, as you can see. Press for another confirmation, and you'll see that the indicator that was popping up before start won't show up anymore. That was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and it helped you resetting your car. Hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.